Wow, see how it came out beautifully. Tallow oil, the use of tallow in the ratio of 3:1 with PKO. Okay, look at it, so beautiful. I love the mode use. It's a good color. Nigerian flag. Nigeria, you can use it to gift out to people. Okay, let's dive into the video. Once again, you're welcome. This is my oil. I have here the tallow oil and the PKO. Yes, 400-gram PKO stroke tallow oil. And then here I have 100-gram foam booster that I'll be using to mix it. Okay, and then the next thing is this is my water, 210-gram of water with 58 caustic soda lye solution. That is my water and the caustics. I've mixed it together to form the lye solution so that I can use it immediately without wasting time. Okay, so we are using oil, caustic soda, and then the foam booster. And so what is the next thing I'm doing? This is the container we'll be using. Just to remind us that I run on classes, reach me on the number that is written on your screen. Okay, chat me and we'll talk. So you'll be added to the other student online that are already doing greatly there. Okay, I've poured my oil into the container, and what is the next thing I'm going to do? Okay, because I wanted the white color and green, because I wanted white color, and I'll be using titanium oxide. Okay, usually I ought to have poured the titanium oil into the oil, but let's go. Okay, this is my foam booster being poured into the lye solution, and I mix it together. Okay, so you can do that and still get your result. So I pour it into the oil and then mixing it together. This is pipe-like, that is the batter. Okay, and not to forget again, remember your oil should be a bit warm before you start mixing it so that it doesn't form thick trace very quickly. Okay, now just like what I said, I ought to have poured the titanium oxide, that is the white color, into the oil, but all the same can still work. So what do? I just take a little of the batter and put the color here, the titanium oxide here, and then pour it into the main batter. It still worked out. Yes, it still worked out here. So I poured it. Okay, and I make sure I scraped every part of it so that I can get the maximum color I want. Let me tell us about this ebook. Probably you are coming across it for the first time. This is my ebook, Formula Made Easy in Making Our Soap. Okay, in this book we have various recipes in making soap, cream, and all those kind of house cleaning agents. And in it, of course, I still have solutions to probably the possible questions you might be having, some challenges you might be having. I have addresses for chemical vendors which you can reach easily. Okay, so do well to get a copy. You need it. It's handy so that at your own leisure time you can just keep learning. You don't have to keep waiting for the online training and become your own boss. Beautiful. So still mixing the butter. You know, I've poured my foam booster, I've poured the color, and then remember I said I'll be creating 2 colors. So what do? I just put a little color inside that cup. Sorry, it was not covered. It was later I remember it was not covered. So I put a little of the butter inside the cup and I mix with green color. So that's the one I put first. I put the green color first before putting the white, so the Nigerian flag will be will be produced. And I love the product. In fact, we can give it out as gift to people. Okay, so this is what we are producing. Don't forget to reach me on this line so that you join the online classes. Okay, so that you can also become boss on your own. So this is it. So it will be left for some hours, and when it's strong enough, I will come back and mold it. We will all see it. Eh? If you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please give it a thumbs up so that I can reach other people. Like it, share, and subscribe. Wow, thanks so much. When it's dry, when it's strong enough, we mold it together, and here it is, already dry, ready to be molded. Okay, you can see it already. Yes, so you can see it ready for packaging, and you can package it immediately like this, and you can let it cure very well, because it's not all processed. So let it cure very well. This one is all cold process. You can see. Can you imagine putting something to hold it together and you present it like this to people? Oh wow, they wonder what kind of mood you use. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate your time in watching. If you are here to subscribe, do subscribe. Don't forget that, and give it a thumbs up, and then remember to comment, share it. Remember to comment. Okay, and then once again, get this book. It's very handy. Get it. DM me and get it. If you get it, you can even see on your own and just keep learning. And if you have any challenge, which most of the challenges have been discussed in the book that have been discussed, you can just go through it. And then my other book coming up, in fact, you don't need to consult any other person again once you get the book. Virtually every challenges, every problem, every difficulty in soap making is there. Just read it and then master it. Thanks so much for staying till now. Don't forget to like it, and then see you in my next video. Bye. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so let us see the outcome of it, how well it forms. So can you see it? Despite the ratio is 3:1, it still forms very well. So you can use tallow at least to maximize your profit. Okay, if you use only PK oil, your soap is soft, so use tallow oil with it, and then add your foam booster. You will get a good result. Bye for now.